Okay, let us solve another question of integration. In this integration, we are given definite integral 0 to pi, and in bracket we are given 1 plus 4 sin square x by 2 minus 4 sin x by 2. So if we will see by paying attention, okay, then we will see that this can be converted into square, correct? Okay, so we can write as this one 4 sin square x by 2 minus 4 sin x by 2 and plus 1. So it is just like a minus b whole square. Okay, so it is twice sin x by 2 whole square minus 2 into 2 sin x by 2 into 1 and plus 1 square. So it has come as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write as, okay, even we can write as 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 whole square. That also can be written. Okay, or because here it is written like this, 1 is kept first, so that's why I am writing as 1 minus 2 sin x by 2. If 4 sin square x by 2 would have come earlier, then I would have written as twice sin x by 2 minus 1 whole square, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 whole square. It means the square root of this one will make square root of completely this one. So it means it will become 1 minus 2 sin x by 2. Okay, and this will come as mod. Why? Because here angle is there. Okay, so this angle, it will be having two values because the angle is varying from 0 to pi. In this angle value, we are having positive value also, we are having negative value also. So that particular part we have to consider. So this type of question makes you to consider two things. Okay, what? That 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 may have, okay, positive value. So it may have positive value, it may have negative value, right? Okay, so now we will see that when it is having positive value, from 0 we will start, and then where it is having negative value. Okay, so 1 minus 2 sin x by 2, if we are putting 0 degree, so it is becoming sin 0, and this is 0, so 1 minus 0. If we are putting 0 degree, it will become what? 1 minus 0, so it is 1, so it is positive value. So 0 also will be there. Okay, and then another one, if you are putting 30 degree, then it is becoming 15 degree. 30 degree is what? 0.5. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, so it is 0.5. Okay, or 1 by 2. Sorry, sin 30 degree, so it is becoming 15 degree. Okay, so just half. So that will also get multiplied with this 2. Then also it will not be increasing much. So it is 1 minus that. If you are putting 30 degree also, then also it will be coming positive only. Okay, so even 30 degree also positive value. Then if you are going for 45 degree, so 45 divided by 2, it will be giving 22 degree. 22 degree also will be lesser only. Okay, it will not be increasing to more than 1. So that value you can say 1 by root 2. So what we are getting? We will be getting some 0.707. Okay. Right. Okay, so 45 degree is 0.707. So that you can say 30, it will be 22 and half degree. So 22 and half degree will be lesser than, so this also will be positive. 45 degree also will be positive. Then further, if we are going for 60 degree, so 60 degree will make it as 30 degree, because 60 divided by 2 will give you 30 degree. and 30 degree is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so it will become 0. Okay, so that is also positive only. If we are increasing more than 60 degree, then chances are there that it will become negative. If we are putting, okay, so because 45 degree when you were putting, it has become half. Now when you are putting 90 degree, so 90 divided by 2 will give you 45 degree. 45 degree is what? 0.707. 0.707 minus 2 will make you to have value more than 1. Okay, somewhere 1.4. So if you are having more than 1 point, this value 1.4 more than, and it is negative, so it is giving you a negative value. So here negative value. So it means we can say that up to 60 degree we can have positive value. Okay, so 0 to 60 degree, and from 60 degree to complete 180 degree will give you negative value. Okay, right. So this is divided into two parts now. Okay, so this integration will be converted like this from 0 to pi by 3. So this 60 degree is what? Pi by 3 only. Okay, pi by 3, and this one 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 dx plus pi by 3 to pi value, and again 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 dx. Sorry, here it will not be plus. So here we can write as plus, no problem. But here it will become minus because it is negative value. It is negative value. Later on I will make it as negative only. Okay, here we can write as plus. Okay, 0 to pi by 3 and from pi by 3 to pi. But this value is negative. Right? Okay. So let us make it as, let us go for differentiation. So 1 minus, sorry, not differentiation, integration. So 1 minus 2 sine x by 2. So 1 will be x, and 2 sine x by 2. So it is minus, because it is cos, it will become, so minus cos it will be there. So it will become 2 cos x by 2 and divided by 1 by 2. 0 to pi by 3, and then minus again pi by 3 to pi, sorry, not here. Okay, same will be there. So it is what? X, and this one will go, so it will become 4 cos x by 2 pi by 3 to pi. Okay, right. So now let us solve it. So pi by 3, so the value of x is here pi by 3, right? And this one has become plus 4 cos. So pi by 3 means 60 degree. 60 degree divided by 2 will give you 30 degree. 30 degree. Okay. Minus here in place of, first we have to put this one, then we have to go for minus, so it will become 0, and here cos 0 will become 1, so it is 4 only, correct, minus, so this has become 0, and then this has become cos 0 is equal to 1 only, so it will become 4, so 4. Okay, right. Next one, minus here, so x value is pi plus 4 cos, so pi is what? 180 degree. 180 degree divided by 2 is what? 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is equal to what? 0. So it will become 0. Okay. Then again minus pi by 3. Okay, and again pi by 3 is the same value, 4 cos 30 degree will come here. Okay, so minus 4 cos 30 degree. Okay, right. So in this way we have not solved now. Here plus is there, here minus is there. Okay, so it will become plus. So okay, pi by 3 plus cos 30 degree is equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Okay, yes. So 4 root 3 by 2 and minus 4, then here it is becoming minus pi minus 0, so this has become 0, and minus minus has become plus pi by 3. Okay, and this minus has become plus 4 root 3 by 2. Okay, right. So it is giving to us as plus pi by 3 this one, so 2 pi by 3. Okay, and 4 root 3 by 2, so this has become 8 root 3 by 2, which will be cancelling with 4. Okay, 4 root 3, and then minus 4 minus pi. So this complete, we will be getting 2 pi by 3 plus 4 root 3 minus 4 minus pi. Okay, so if we want, we can we should not put the value here. Okay, pi value we can leave as it is. Okay, right. Okay, so next this 2 pi by 3 and this minus pi, we will solve it. So it will become minus 3 pi, so it will become 2 pi minus 3 pi by 3 plus 4 root 3 minus 4, and which is giving to us the answer as this will write 4 root 3 first, then we will write minus 4, and this one will become minus pi by 3. Okay, so this one will be the answer of this particular integral. Okay, thank you.